Is it the right time to buy or sell Rivian Automotive stock? In this video, we'll be delving into Rivian Automotive, providing you with a more comprehensive analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 26, 2023. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of December 1, 2023, our system has ranked Rivian Automotive as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.00. Now let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 30.84% since we first listed Rivian Automotive as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This means an average return of 1.81% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. This creates a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $24.38, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.15% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -32.51% to 5.58%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, there is a projected 20.47% change expected over the next year. The potential return during this period ranges from -18.52% to 51.77%. This means that after a year, the stock price could range from $19.22 to $35.80. Our latest update on Rivian Automotive reveals an exciting headline: Rivian Automotive stock price increases by 1.64% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, December 26, 2023, the Rivian Automotive stock price experienced a gain of 1.64%. It went from $23.21 to $23.59. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $23.31 and a high of $24.61, showing a 5.58% fluctuation. This marks the 7th time in the past 10 days that the stock price has risen, with an overall increase of 24.49% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, there were 6 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 30 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $709.51 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price of Rivian Automotive stock was $28.05, while the lowest price was $11.68. Currently, the stock price is 15.9% lower than the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $4.46. Furthermore, it is 86.86% lower than the all-time high, which was reached on November 16, 2021, when the stock price soared to $179.47. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Mizuho Securities gave RIVN a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, RBC Capital gave RIVN a sector perform grade with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Cantor Fitzgerald gave RIVN an overweight grade with a hold action. Needham gave RIVN a buy grade with a hold action on the same day as well. On Monday, November 6, 2023, Wedbush gave RIVN an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Rivian Automotive stock a general rating of buy. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book value, which are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious stance and give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Rivian Automotive. The stock of Rivian Automotive shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the price levels at $23.51 and $18.64. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, suggesting a good technical signal. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which further strengthens the positive outlook. However, it's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which may have an impact on the short-term development of the stock. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -3.12% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's indicating a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which is showing a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger is giving a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average is suggesting a sell signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages is showing a buy signal 17 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Here's what we can observe. The short moving average is giving a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages is showing a buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Rivian Automotive. Rivian Automotive has found support from accumulated volume at $22.43. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity when the stock price reaches this level. Typically, when a support level is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered to be very high risk. The volatility is quite high, meaning that the stock can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, the stock has shown a price range of $1.30 between its daily high and low, representing a 5.58% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.41%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Rivian Automotive, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. Established companies can experience down periods due to various factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, let's move on to the latest news. The upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 27, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at -$1.37. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at potential day trading levels for Rivian Automotive. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rivian Automotive is at $23.66. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a downward movement, Rivian Automotive will encounter its first support level at $22.43. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Rivian Automotive has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, McDonough Clare sold 1,727 shares of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2023, McDonough Clare sold 3,265 shares of Class A common stock. On November 15, 2023, Baker Jeff sold 3,898 shares of Class A common stock. On October 20, 2023, Schwartz Sanford Harold bought 842 shares of Class A common stock. On October 20, 2023, Boone Karen bought 1,196 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -56.167. In the past 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,467,775 shares and sold 31,848,770 shares. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $22.54, which represents a decrease of 4.44%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 78, further increasing the risk involved. Furthermore, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 4 days ago. Is Rivian Automotive Stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, it seems that Rivian Automotive Stock presents a promising opportunity for investors. Short-term signals and a positive overall trend indicate that now may be a good time to consider buying. Furthermore, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued, adding to the potential appeal. Looking ahead to Wednesday, December 27th, we anticipate Rivian Automotive to open up at $23.84, showing a slight increase of $0.247. Before we dive into the content, it's essential to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your opinion in the comments below. We're eager to know your target for this stock as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being part of the Stock Invest community.